Hey guys, today we are going to do a chocolate chip coffee cake. And so let's just get to it.
Okay, let's go. I don't do it now.
We are going to let you throw that away in the trash can.
Okay. Okay, Mommy.
So what all goes into this?
Okay, so you're going to have
Egg.
butter and sugar and flour, chocolate chips. I'm going to have the instructions and ingredients list put in the description below.
You will do fast. We go, Mommy.
Hi, baby.
Oh, you did cookies? Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm going to get a
Yep.
different
That
spatula.
butter ain't gonna mix up too good, is it?
Not with that, it ain't.
Alright, wait till you get the sour cream in there, it will. I thought that butter might have been soft enough.
It is. I just needed a whisk on a spatula.
And what size pan are they gonna need?
It's going to be listed in the description below.
Okay. I hear water running, so let's see what Aspen's doing.
She's my dishwasher.
Oh, okay. Say hello, Aspen.
Hello, husband.
Okay. Let me get back out here where y'all can see what's going on. Move y'all a little closer so you can actually see what's going on.
Hey, go this way for me.
Okay, Captain. Whoa, very floppy.
That was the ugliest egg break I've ever done in my life.
Whoa.
Hey, Aspen, will you please stop with the water?
Turn it off, baby.
Good job. That, Mama. My job was done now. Mama job done.
Yep, your job's done.
Okay, my not done.
It's starting to look like cake batter now.
I know, and I haven't even done my flour
Can I
yet.
base it down me too?
Alright, I want you to mix, and I want to add the flour in. So you mix it good.
Alrighty.
Keep mixing.
Keep mixing, Aspen.
Keep going.
Oh, okay, ready. Sorry.
Keep mixing, baby.
Hey, it makes kids sleep.
Alright, let me try it for a second.
Wait, go ahead, Mommy.
That's how you know it's fun if you get messy.
You don't need no kind of milk or anything for
No,
it?
this is going to be a dry batter. Hold on.
Okay.
Hold on, I have to try to get it out of this whisk. Now I know what you can get me for Christmas.
What?
One of those KitchenAids.
Oh yeah, the electric mixers.
Yeah.
Yeah, those things are pretty good.
Hi everyone. Today we die. Sorry everyone. Me kitty frog. Okay. Oh, come in.
Okay. Now I'm gonna put half of this in my pan.
Oh, you're fool. And then kiss me. Touch.
Let you wash that.
Guess I'll back up and get out of the way here. I'm trying to keep y'all where you can see without getting in the way here.
I think they lied to me.
Thank you.
Or how big of a pan I needed.
The pan is pretty big.
Yeah, and it doesn't seem like it made that much better for this. Oh well, it's trial and error.
Oh, it's gonna be just fine. That's looking good.
This is the driest batter I've ever seen in a while. It's real sticky. Alright, there. Hold on. Yeah, you can do it. Okay, I need to get a smaller bowl. Thought I had everything out.
So there's half batter. And the other half is still here in the
Bowl.
bowl.
Oh, we help you?
Aspen, I want you out of the water, honey.
I did.
She's mixing up, I think, chocolate chips and
Cinnamon and sugar.
My mommy help you? Me Pilanda. Mama.
I'm trying to get back out of the way again. I was just trying to show y'all what was going on.
Meow meow.
She's just sprinkling it around the top.
So he says, Mommy.
Is there vanilla in that?
This is the middle.
Oh, with the middle. I'm sorry. Are there vanilla in that too, or is it all
Yes,
cinnamon?
it's in the batter.
Me Pilanda.
Come on, Lucky. Alright, let me try to get the rest of this.
Ow.
Oh, I see. So it's kind of like a layered
Yeah.
cake. Aspen, out of it. Get out of the way.
So mommy help you?
No, you stand there and watch.
No. Mommy, please help you.
Thought you was gonna be my dishwasher.
All right, now you can get over and wash your dishes. You have dirty dishes to wash.
We don't want this. Come on.
Remind me to never use these dang spatulas again. I don't like them.
No
Everything
way.
sticks to it.
Mommy, I know it. Okay? I'll wait to mommy.
What?
I'll wait, okay? You know me out. You know. You know me out, mommy.
Sweet, that's looking great.
You know it. You did do up there?
This is a very sticky concoction. I just hope it turns into the coffee cake it's supposed to be.
No, mommy. Yeah.
Okay, now this is gonna be with the rest of it on top.
Ah.
Guys, let me have chocolate chips and more sugar.
Alrighty.
Okay, wait.
Oven preheated 350.
And you are going to bake it anywhere from 25 to 30 minutes. We'll see you guys when it's done.
Okay, and while the coffee cake is cooking, we have time to do a little quick cleanup, don't we, Aspen?
Yep.
What are you doing, Aspen?
I'm cooking.
You're washing dishes.
I'm cooking.
Okay, she's cooking also. And how much time do we have left on the timer?
19 minutes and counting.
Alrighty. Give us just a few minutes, y'all, and we'll be right back with you and see what this thing looks like when we're finished.
Welcome back, guys. The cake should be done, so let's pull it up. Look at it. Oh yeah,
Not bad. Looks like a big chocolate chip cookie, don't it?
it does. The chocolate's melted too.
Does it smell good, Aspen?
Thank you.
No, Mommy will get you a piece.
This hot. Oh.
Yeah, I forgot to tell you that's a little warm.
She tried going straight for the chocolate chips.
Ow.
Do you need to let that cool before you try to cut it, or?
Ow, ow, ow.
You can. I'm
That's
not going to.
cool.
I want melted chocolate.
That's cool.
And yes, I'm using the wrong knife for this.
Good job.
Take it to the other side, you might be able to see a little better. That light has got a real bright flash on it. You want a spatula?
Yes, I do.
Oh, hi everyone. That's me. Oh, wow.
Okay, Aspen.
This side down. Oh, nom nom, mama.
Ow!
That glass is a little warm.
Yeah. I
Me
forgot about
hold
it.
that, mine. Me hold it. Me hold this. Okay, me hold that. Okay.
Alrighty,
Okay.
and this is the finished product.
Not bad.
Yeah.
Okay, until next time, guys.
Bye, everyone.
See you later.